When it comes to Black Friday, one of the ways that you can properly promote your actual sale within your course creation business, your memberships, or your coaching is to have amazing graphics that you can share with your audience. Whether it's through email or through social media or whatever it may be, it's an opportunity for you to showcase what you're going to be featuring for your Black Friday sale. But if you don't know how to make graphics or if you don't know where to find them, that could be a problem. So today I'm going to talk all about how you can create amazing graphics for your Black Friday sale if you choose to have one, and how you can get in front of this ASAP so that you are prepared for this upcoming holiday sale. Okay, let's do this. Corporate Misfits, Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where I help female coaches, course creators, and consultants to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise online. Now, before we dive into today's topic, I want you to check out a special workshop that I have for course creators and coaches who are struggling to create graphic design in their business, or they might not have the budget to hire graphic designers. In this workshop, you'll learn all about how you can start creating templates in no time, and also have a guide to help you to do exactly that. Before we also dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also get notified of some of our upcoming videos. Black Friday, let's talk all about this because Black Friday might be right around the corner depending on when you're watching this. Now, Black Friday is a really great opportunity for course creators and consultants to generate more revenue in their business. Now, whether you are going to be focusing on a singular product or multiple products for your sale, it's just a great way for you to be able to jump on basically the holiday bandwagon. There are so many holidays kind of grouped right next to each other in the United States specifically, so it's a great way for you to kind of play off of the holiday season that is already taking place. Now, one thing I have found is that when you are hosting some sort of sale, whether it is a sale just without it being the holidays, it's important to have the right graphics to properly promote what it is that you are sharing. Whether you're launching, doing a sale, whatever, have a whole brand new product, you want to have the right graphics. So today, what I want to talk about is how you can create the right graphics for your Black Friday sale and kind of what that looks like so that you have a better understanding and you know exactly what to do in your business. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take you behind the scenes of our Course Creator Pro Club, and I'm going to show you some Black Friday templates that we have within there. Now, please note that these are just examples for you to just get ideas on what to do in your business. And if you're interested in actually checking out these templates, you can be able to learn more about them in the description and become a part of our Course Creator Pro Club. Okay, let's go ahead and jump behind the scenes of what Black Friday templates look like and how you can be able to create them in your business.
So to get started with showing you some Black Friday graphics that you can utilize to help promote your products, whether it's an online course, a digital product, an ebook, a membership, a coaching program, whatever it may be, I want to start off by showing you what's within our Course Creator Pro membership. So it's our Canva templates that are made directly for course creators, coaches, and consultants, and people who are in the digital business space that want to create graphics, but you might not be able to find what you're looking for in Canva. Though I will show you some really great templates in Canva, I am going to show you just some examples of what Black Friday graphics can look like. So what I'm going to do to get started, we have tons of different templates that people can choose from. What I'm going to do to get started though is go to search. I'm just going to type in Black Friday. And once I do that, it's going to pull up anything that relates to Black Friday within our community. So really cool thing, some Black Friday graphics that you can create are website banners. This is a great way for you to create a Black Friday banner and plug it onto your actual website. And then you can have like a banner temporarily that says, hey, this is 50% off, 20% off, things like that. It just gets people excited when they come to maybe your shop page or one of your pages that you might be hosting a Black Friday on. So if someone were to utilize that, they would just download the template here and it would automatically upload to their Canva account. We have tutorials that walk them through how to edit this, but this is just to give you some inspiration of some things that you can utilize for Black Friday. Now, what I want to do is hop to Instagram, because you're going to want to promote your Black Friday on your social media through your email sequences and things like that. So here are some Instagram templates that help people to promote and kind of give a preview of what their sale is and get them all excited. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is some LinkedIn and Facebook posts. So as you can see, oh, I actually need to hit download. There we go. And use template. So here are just some different templates that you can use to promote maybe your actual course, or maybe you have some templates that might just be email templates or things like that, or an ebook. Here are just some ways that you can start promoting this, and this will allow you to showcase that you have a sale going on and encourage people to actually go and buy what it is that you have to offer. Okay, so I want you to just really start getting your wheels turning on what you want to do for your Black Friday. Are you going to be showing up on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube? Are you going to be hosting it on your website or through a actual email sequence? Like, what are you going to be doing? Because you can utilize some of these templates in those different areas. So depending on where you're going to be showing up, here's some options to choose from. Now, I also want to show you, in case you don't ever become part of Course Creator Pro and you decide, hey, I just want to create something through Canva, and that's perfectly fine. So one of the things that you can do if you are interested in that is, once you have your Canva account ready to go, so in order for you to actually see what I'm saying, you need to create a Canva account. You can create a free version. It doesn't have to be the paid version, but you can create a free version, which will allow you to be able to access thousands, or actually hundreds of thousands of templates at your fingertips. So once you have created your account, you're then going to come into a screen that looks like what I'm looking at right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in Black Friday. Now, what's going to happen from here, we're just going to type in see all. And look, Black Friday templates, there's a ton of them. So what you can do is you can identify what category you are going to be utilizing Black Friday templates. Is it going to be an Instagram post, a story, a Facebook post, a flyer, planner? Like, what are you going to be doing? And then what you could do is you can find some of these different templates to get started with. So what I like to do, I'm just going to click on this one because this one's fun. So I'm going to click on that. Let's say I am creating, this looks like a Facebook post, and I want to showcase my new sale that I have going on for Black Friday. I can plug in my details and start to add in what that Black Friday sale is going to be. So let's first get started with this. Let's say I wanted to edit the image, or I wanted to change the image. So if I want to edit the image, I can go to edit image, and then I can play around with the brightness, the contrast, and just really make this to my liking. I can also change the filters up and use some of the other tools depending on if you have the Pro version. Now, if you don't have the Pro version, you're not going to see all the options that I have. But since I do have the Pro version, one of the things that I am able to show you is the duotone, where let's say that this might not be your brand color, maybe pink is not it, and let's say this color is more of your brand color. So it allows you to be able to change some of these images up and be able to make it more in alignment with your brand. Now let's look at the text. Obviously, you might not be in the super fashion sale. You most likely might be in a digital course business, or you have some sort of digital product. And so you can start to type in the name of your digital product, and then you can plug in Black Friday, maybe use your code, and then plug in some more details. Now, in order to change the color of some of the different elements that you might find on your actual images, you can just go to the area and click on it. And then what will happen is it will have an area where you can change the color, and then you can start selecting the colors from your actual palette. Or you can plug in your hex color if you don't already have that by going into add new color, and then you can plug in what you're looking for. Now, there are several different types of templates that you can choose from. Again, Canva has a ton, so depending on what you're looking for, there is just so many things that you can choose from. So I just want you to go through and see what will work best for you and what you're looking to do. Now, if you're finding that you're looking to have, let's say, computer screens, you might not see as many of those, but you can always add in different things to your actual page. So for example, let's go to elements and let's type in laptop. We want a laptop mock-up, right? So if that were the case, let's go ahead and grab one of these laptops and we can start plugging it in. Maybe we want the name of our actual sale, the name of our actual product here, and we start to plug in all that information and put it in the laptop. So there's several things that we can choose from. Let's say we need to move this over. Here we go. Cool, boom. I'm holding the shift button down, and I am now holding it all down while I grab everything. And now I'm just moving this up. So let's say I moved it here, or move it somewhere in the middle. Whatever the case is, you can move this around, but we want to get this probably dead center in the middle. So I'm going to grab one, center, and you see Canva has like little lines to make sure that you are on point when it comes to center. I'm going to move this from being a certain alignment and make it to center alignment. Same thing with that, same thing with that, center alignment. So this gives you a way to add in some different elements that might be a great fit for you. Now, let's say I don't want certain things, so I'm going to delete things that don't need to be there, delete, and anything else I might need to delete. What I'll do is position that backwards. I'll position it to where, let's go back. So now I can actually get rid of what I don't need. So boom, now we have our Black Friday. And again, you can customize these to your liking, but look at some of the options that Canva does provide so that you don't have to do so much work. What could work well? Maybe you utilize this as a computer screen. Maybe you just, have, for example, you have this background and plug in a computer screen, which you can give a different tone and a different look to it. So I want you to do what works best for you. So another really cool tool that you can utilize to help you to be able to create cool mockups if you want to utilize them is called Smart Mockups. I'll leave a link so you can be able to access that, but it's a really great way for you to make some mockups, and it connects really well with Canva. So check that out as well, but you can also utilize the elements that Canva has already provided that has some computer mockups if you need to utilize that, or ebook looking mockups and things along those lines. Okay, Corporate Misfits, so once you have your design to your liking, you're gonna go to where it says share, and there's some options you can choose from. You can be able to just download this. Maybe you're gonna be utilizing this image on social media or through email, and you can download a JPEG, a PNG. Some other options are PDF. Those are just some options you can choose from. And then if you want to share directly through social media on Canva, then you'll need to connect that, and you'll also need to be on the pro version. But there's some other options where you can go to more, and then some of the options are you can share here, or you can share directly on social. Again, you'll need to connect the dots between that social media platform with Canva, so make sure that that's all set up before you start trying to share to Facebook or to Instagram and things along those lines. Some other things that you could do is you can save this to your Google Drive, your Dropbox. You just need to connect those dots before you do that. And also messaging. Maybe you're going to be sending this through, let's say, text messaging and marketing. Then here's some options for you to send it to your phone directly so you can utilize it into your platform that you might be utilizing for text. So options are here. Just know that all you have to do is come to figure out what options are going to work best for you. But once you find what you're looking for, you are good to go. You have your images, and now you can get rocking and rolling into creating your Black Friday graphics without having to waste a ton of time trying to start from scratch. Okay, Corporate Misfits, and if you're interested in checking out Course Creator Pro, I'll leave a link for you below. We have thousands and thousands and thousands of templates that are catered to course creators. So they are Canva templates. We have designed them to where you are going to find what you need in terms of being able to promote your course, your coaching program, and your membership, and so much more.
So another way for you to be able to create your Black Friday graphics, you can also just jump into the platform called Canva, where you can type in Black Friday and check out some of the different templates that they have to offer. So let's go ahead and take a quick peek at what that looks like in case you want to find an alternative to our Course Creator Pro Club. Okay, Corporate Misfits, there you have it. There are some graphics that you can start utilizing to be able to create your Black Friday graphics so you can properly promote your course, your membership, your e-products, or things along those lines to help your customers know that you actually have a sale going on and how they can take advantage of that. So let me know what graphics you come up with, or feel free to share a link. I'm rooting you on and I can't wait to see the success in your business for this upcoming Black Friday. Okay, Corporate Misfits, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out that free workshop where you can learn how to create designs in your business, and I will see you soon. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.